everyone, welcome back to Soda. Today I'm bringing you another watercolor tutorial of Oikawa-san. And the materials that I'll be using today is watercolors, of course, and brushes, and that is it. We will begin with the light wash to map out the colors. For Oikawa skin, I'm using a diluted mix of red, yellow, and a touch of blue to create a soft texture. The trick here is to use a lot of water and keep your strokes smooth. Remember, watercolors are all about layering and you don't want it too heavy too soon. And once the first layer is dry, it's time to build up the shadows. For Oikawa skin, I'm adding more pigmentation to the same mix, concentrating on areas like the sides of his face and under his chin, and giving it a more depth. Now let's move to his hair. Oikawa's hair is iconic. It's rich brown with warm undertones. I'm using blunt mixed with a bit of red, and for the base, for shadows I'll be layering it with a deeper brown, focusing on the roots and where the strands overlap. Oikawa's hair is so iconic that it will take most of the time to paint it correctly. Details are where the painting really comes to life. For his eyes, I'm using a mix of brown and a touch of black to outline, keeping the brush strokes steady and precise. And don't be afraid to dilute your paint to create highlights and leave some areas unpainted for a natural shine effect. And once the jersey is also done, we will paint the background as it was shown in the figure or the picture from the Pinterest. And here is the final piece, Oikawa in all his glory. I am happy and satisfied with how it turned out, especially the layering on his hair and the highlights in his jersey. What do you think? Let me know in the comments who should I paint next from the Haikyuu or any other anime series. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Soda for more painting tutorials, anime DIYs and art vlogs. Don't miss kageyama painting though. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep creating. Bye bye.